And don't forget to like this video. So bafethu izolo kuye kwangena ke laphana ke wena uDumo episode Dumo show kuwona ke Moja Love 157 laphana njengoba ke kade ke busy ukukhulunywa noma yena ke elandisa ngokuthi ke kwenzakalani ngesikhathi ke uMpintsha kusukela egula up to isikhathi la edlula khona ke emhlabeni. Wena uDumo episode 1 was so emotional for every one of us as viewers. So episode Dumo opened up about a lot of things which happened before the passing of Mpintsha, her husband. She even shared that they did not have a medical aid at the time and had to use from their own pockets. She says on the day Mpintsha passed on, she was called to rush to hospital, and when she arrived laphana her husband seemed to be recovering well lapha esibhedlela, and so she quickly told him that she needs to take a shower and will be back soon. They both waved at each other laphana ke kanti ke uMpintsha would be the last time ukuthi ke ekhuluma naye lapha umyeni wakhe njengoba ke eshilo ke no episode washona ke ngaso leso sikhathi eyogeza uMpintsha. So bafethu abantu abaningi ke kubavusele umunyu lokho bembona ke episode Dumo ke esekhala lapha yana nganza ukuthi kuningi okusazovela noma ke isho ebukeka ngathi ke iqale ngelinye igiya. Anyways, do comment on the section down below. How do you feel about episode izolo wena uDumo? Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Danko.